A symptom-free Sunday is only an ice bath away. Is this a fad or a fact? Personally, I have never thought about getting in an ice bath after a big night out, but it does make sense that all of your blood will pool to your organs when you're in the ice bath because it does constrict your blood vessels. And then when you hop back in the heat, it reopens them. So during that time when you're in the ice bath, you're going to be getting more oxygen to those organs. That's the way that I would sort of see this working. Another thing that I have read is that it will help stimulate your vagus nerve, which is going to help stimulate your rest and digest functions of your nervous system. I'm not 100% sure on that one. I haven't double checked those facts. But if you have been in an ice bath before, after a big night out, and you've helped cure your hangover, please let me know in the comments below because I am really interested in seeing if this is actually a thing or not. Thoughts of the day. This is Nancy signing off.